Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to draw a pumpkin, just like this one. So let's get started. It starts with one curved line, flattens out a little bit at the bottom, and then comes back to the top like this. The next thing you want to do is draw a zigzag line where the stem for the pumpkin is going to be. And then draw two curved lines that go up to the top like this. Next, we're going to start the lines that bend around the pumpkin. And we want them curved to show that the pumpkin is curved. Once I get towards the middle, instead of curving them this way, I'm going to bend this one back the other way, like this. Now, your pumpkin doesn't have to have a perfect shape. If you really look at pumpkins, none of them really look the same or have what we would call a perfect shape anyway. So if it looks a little off on one side or another, that's fine. The next thing we want to do is draw some lines that go up the stem. Because the pumpkin stems actually have a lot of texture to them. Just like that. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing to do is just go ahead and go back over these lines, make them a little thicker, and give the pumpkin a thicker outline to show more depth. I'm going to use a thicker Sharpie to do that. So I'm going to do kind of a bold outline around the edge. And then I'll do the same thing. And then down here on the bottom, I'm going to just make each shape along the edge a little rounder, a little more curved. Since there really are no straight edges anywhere on any pumpkin. So I can just kind of go around like this. Clean up this line a little bit. And then go around the stem as well. So our pumpkin can really stand out. Okay, now that we've done that step, I'm going to show a little horizon back here to show that the pumpkin is resting on something. Darken this a little bit more. And then all along the bottom here, I'm going to create some shadow. Like this to show that the light is coming from above. I'm going to switch back to a more fine point pen and start drawing some parallel lines on the bottom to give more shadow. And notice I bend them the same way that the pumpkin bends. You never want these lines to be straight. I'm going to go all the way around the bottom, like this. Add a few on the edges. That. And then a few around the stem. So there's our pumpkin, all finished
So
and
these
ready
are
for
the
fall.
main steps for drawing a pumpkin.
If you enjoyed this video,
comes
please
color.
hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.